You'll never break the cycle of being broke and get to $10,000 a month if you don't do this first. And hang with me here. Having a little bit of a mini asthma attack right now, but don't worry, got my rescue inhaler in case I need it. But here's what I mean, and here's the point behind this, and what you need to understand if you want to get to the next level, break out of the broke cycle, and ultimately build the life of your dreams. It's about taking small actions every single day, because that's what adds up to the massive results. Too many people get started trying to make money online, trying to do something like I'm doing, okay? They see all these people on their feeds making 10,000 a month, 50,000 a month, whatever it is, and they want to dive in head first and they want to be that person, which is great in the grand scheme of things. But you have to understand, those people didn't get there overnight. We got there with a lot of grit, a lot of hard work, and taking small, continual action every single day. Let me give you an example real quick of why I'm out running when I have asthma and haven't been able to have a free day from using my rescue inhaler in over a month. It's because the human body is designed in a way that will actually heal itself in most cases. It's just we're so used to the quick Band-Aid solutions that we fall in love with these little things. We fall in love with the medications. We fall in love with what the doctor tells us. But the human body is a beautiful thing and it will heal itself. So what I found for me and what I do personally is I look in the mirror when I'm going through a phase where I can't breathe properly, when I am using my inhaler too much. I look at, hey, what is my sugar intake like? And am I working out regularly? And am I overeating? Well, turns out after doing some self-reflection, I've been doing a lot of overeating lately. I've been trying to scale my business, so I haven't been working out as much. And my sugar intake has been really, really high. Okay, so what are you gonna do? Well, I'm not just gonna wait until I can breathe better to go out and run. I'm gonna do a little bit today. I'm gonna go out and I'm gonna run until my lungs can't take it anymore. I might puff on this bad boy, I might not, probably will. But then you know what, the next day, or maybe a day later, I'll follow up with that. I'll go back out, I'll run a little longer. And then the next day, a little longer, a little more, giving 1% better every single day until eventually I'll get to a spot where I don't even have to worry about bringing this with me because it won't be needed. Okay, so there's a lesson for you today, is that if you want to start some sort of online business and build a dream where you can go out and run on country roads and make passive income while you're doing it, if you want the 10K months, the 30K months, the 50K months, take it from somebody who's been there, who's been in this game for 4+ years now, who's been to the top, the bottom, and now getting back on top, okay? Take it from me. It is not about taking drastic action every single day. If you do that, you're gonna get overwhelmed and you're gonna quit. It's about the small, little actions repeated over and over and over again that add up to the massive results over time. So if you understand that and you think, hey, I kind of like this, Josh, I'm kind of vibing with what he's saying right now, then what I want you to do is comment the word roadmap down below, and I'll send some info directly to your inbox about the simplest way to get started and the roadmap that you can follow to put you on the path to success, so that you can ultimately take those small steps every single day and eventually build that dream life that you're looking for with digital products and making passive income on the internet. I'll catch you on the next one.